it will redirect us to login page. So we are going new activity for login page. If user have not logged in yet, he can log in. So right, so we have to pass from here that this is for single, and value will be also single room. No, it's launched. Now click off book now. Login activity, it launched login activity. Now we will work on login activity. See, we want to send some information from here. Info. My name is Ramila Rawat and I am an Android developer, and we want to get this information in login activity. So go to login activity, move this, and get the information using intent. I get intent dot get string. Okay, and the key is info, and it's our string, so information. Okay, and we want to put this information inside a text view, so you can directly go here and you can drag it like this. This is our text view. Its color will be white, and you can also use color code, and its size should be 25, and its font should be monospace. Only monospace. Okay, so its ID is this. We will use this ID because it's text view. Find view by ID and its name, and we are going to set text inside text view, and the text name is information. So we are launching it again through Visor. So this property is because of scroll view. We are able to scroll this. We can also change background color of text view. Okay, now it's launched, and click off. My name is Pramila Rawat and I am an Android developer. We have sent this. The key is this and the information is this, which we want to send on next activity. So here we set all the information on this text view. Now we are going to work on login page. What we have to do, we can set some header for this, and its name will be text will be login page on center. And its size will be 30. It should be below this text view. Or text header. So we want to set it inside this text header. Okay, and it should send the information of, because this is for single bedroom, so single bed room. So in login activity we will show the information like room type. In Java we use plus sign to add two strings. Okay, so remove this one and give some margin from all the direction, or yes. Okay, now we want edit text for email, and hint will be enter, please enter email address. It should be below the room type text view. So it should be below this one. We have to give ID for this edit text also, ed email. Okay, similarly for ed password, ed password, and also please enter password. Okay, but it should be below this one, so below ed email, and a submit button below that button. Match parent, wrap content, text should be submit or login, and it will be below password field. Okay, so we are going to launch this. Red color not looking good, so we can change it to this one, dark. Okay, now on click of book now. But password should be like in dot form. It should not clear to everyone. Room type is single bedroom. Okay, so password should be, input type should be password, and email means basically it will change. See, it's not showing any @ keyword for this after changing its input type from password from to email, its keyboard will automatically change. So we are going to change its background color also. Click off book now. It's showing. We need to launch it again. It's not possible because there is some problem. So suggest this password, but it does not include text password in input type. Okay, it should be text password. And it should be text email address. Now we are launching this again. Okay, so today we have worked on edit text also. Edit text basically used for if we want to fill any form, then we will use edit text. Click here. See, it's showing now at the red sign because we used text email address as input type. And password. Okay, so this is for email address, this is for password. Now what we will do, we are going to make a home activity. It will be activity, blank activity, why it's showing watch here? Should not show any watch here, like it's showing create a blank activity for Wear OS. New activity. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it should be empty activity, not blank activity. Okay, so it will be home activity. Layout name, package name, and Java class name. Finish this. See, this is the layout for home activity. So in home activity, we are going to show its login information. So on click of submit button, where is the submit button? Its ID is ID button submit. We are going to make a button submit. Oh, okay. Side login activity. And one more thing, button submit. Define the button submit using find view by id. Now what we want to open, we want to open home activity. Set on click listener. So this the on click listener is used to do any event with buttons or any widget. So I have copied the code from there. We don't want to send any information. It is the context of activity. This is the target activity. So I'm going to run this again. Inside home activity we are giving a background and it will be image, this image. Vector. PG or JPG. Okay, it should be drawable BG. 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 Okay, yeah. Now we are able to open home activity, but we are not able to see the background image. So I have saved it. Now we also want to change the label, this label for home activity. So label my home screen. Launch it again. So today we have learned about edit text, button text views, intent, and Wiser. How to open any app on Wiser. So click on button view, click on login. Now you are on my home. So that's it for today. See you on next lecture for a hotel booking app. Thanks.